Sat Shri Akal ji. Today I would like to talk in regards to our behavior, way of doing things. Sometimes we don't think ourselves, we just follow. We see someone doing something and then we just follow them. Or we try to do something more than what they have been doing. I meant to say, like when somebody go for Tirath, they go visit 9 Gurdwaras. Then sometimes we think that, oh, we should do something better. We should visit at least 18th. So what is the use of racing this or following what they are doing instead of thinking what we should do and what our focus should be? Our focus should be that we are doing things to satisfy our Guruji. So whatever things we do that makes us forget him, we shouldn't do that. Suppose if you're going for Tirath, but you are just going for satisfying your wish, but you're not focusing that you're going to Tirath to get the blessings of Guru Sahib, to do some seva there. Instead, you're going there to show people that, oh, I'm visiting 9 Gurdwara, I'm doing something very good. And you become very proud for that, which you're forgetting the Lord or Sadguruji. So Guru Amar Das ji have said, महल्ला पहला, जालो ऐसी रीत जित में प्यारा विसरे. Pasha said, burn away those rituals which lead you to forget the beloved Lord. Meaning, if it's the same way that I'm saying here, that if you're going to many Tirath, but you're forgetting Guru Sahib, then what is the use of going? It's not that I'm not telling you not to go, but you go there with the focus that you're going to meet Guru Sahib, to the place that Guru Sahib has visited, to get something back, much more better things into ourselves, to clean our ego, we cannot fully remove our ego, we can only try to clean it. So Pasha said, Jalo aisi reet jit mein pyara visre. And the next took, Pasha said, if by going to rituals, if you forget the Lord, then what is the use of going? Instead of that, it is better नानक साई पली प्रीत जित साहिब सेती पत्र है. Meaning, it is better to put the love to Guru Sahib. O Nanak, sublime that love which preserves my honor with my beloved master. So it is about love to Guru Sahib, much more than going to Tirath or doing other deeds that makes you forget Guru Sahib. So let's focus on Guru Sahib, how to make Guru Sahib happy with our way of doing things, with our behavior, and walk on the Gursikhi path. Jalo aisi reet jit mein pyara visre, नानक साई पली प्रीत जित साहिब सेती पत्र है. सत श्री अकाल जी.